Hello and welcome back to another video, where today I'm going to show you how to use the Blender's AI Denoiser add-on to remove some of this noise. Originally, when people tried to remove noise from their videos, they would just increase the sample rate of their render, which works, but it puts more strain on your computer. I've purposely lowered this to make it a bit noisy just for this video. So, increasing the sample rate will always get it to look better, but will put more strain on your computer, taking longer, which is why Blender's in composing now has an add-on to make your life easier. So now I'm going to show you how to denoise a photo or render. So we're going to go to composing, we're going to press use nodes. We're going to drag this one out, we're going to do two things. We're going to go Shift A, and we're going to go Viewer, and we're going to put that there. We're also going to now go to Denoise and put that in between. Put that down, put that there, to viewer, and we are now going to re-render this. Just give this a second. This straight away will make the image look better, but still won't make it look perfect. So, there we go. Now, if we go on to here, you can see it has removed some of the noise. It is less noisy around here, here, and there. So it has removed some of the noise from originally. But it's still not perfect. So we can go into this and denoise this even more. So we're now going to go down to outputs, so view layer, and now we're going to go to denoising data. And we're going to unattach that and go to noisy image to image, denoising normal to normal, and denoising albedo to albino. I think that's how you say it. Now we're going to re-render this image. We're going to just give it a second to render. And then once this is finished, it will remove a bit more of the noise. So there we go. If we take a look back here, a lot more of this noise is removed and cleared up. So you can then just, with your newly rendered image, again, you can then just go file image, save as. But what we've noticed, even with this re-denoised image, is that it is still not perfect. Some of this lighting here has been messed up, and there's nothing the denoising layer can do, which would be a good example of when you would want to go down up to your cameras and increase this. By default, it's 126, so if we rendered the image one final time to just show that sometimes you do have to bump the sample rate up a bit with it, that you will never need to bump it up as much with the denoiser node, because once it's made this noisy image, it will then start denoising it on its own and will make it look cleaner and just a better image. So once this image has finished rendering, I'm going to do a 50-50 split, showing you what it looks like without it and what it looks like with. So there we go. This is the final render. There we go. This is the final render. So now I will put a side-by-side comparison of before and after. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I will hopefully see you in the next one. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye.